What's going on, traders? It is high noon, January 3rd, and what most people or some people are calling a crash is only a correction. Let's not get that confused. Anytime there's a large movement up like this, you can expect some sideways movement right after, and then somewhere along the line, a correction will happen and the price will come down. Not necessarily as far as it went up, but some type of retracement will happen after a nice bullish spike. And that's what we saw here. Actually, price went pretty low. Looks like they're trying to get back down to the 40K trigger point down there. Not having a lot of luck. We found some support right around 40,655. Right now we're bouncing off the 100% retracement line and getting a nice flow. Well, not a nice flow, but a flow back towards the bullish side. We'll see how that works out as we continue on. We can also see that this is still bearish momentum. It is changing though, slightly, as witnessed by the pink bars down there. But let's look at the Lex Algo real quick. And we can see that it has us going sideways for a bit, a slight spike upward, then a drop back down, then some more sideways movement, and a spike back upward. Some of this will most likely play out for sure. How much of it, we'll just have to wait and see. We can expect, as we move along here, another bullish spike. Don't know when, not really sure where yet. It could be this spike over here, but there is one coming that actually has nothing to do with this indicator. I saw it somewhere else. But since this indicator is projecting one, I'm assuming that it's this one over here and not the sideways movement and the spike there. Because the spike that I saw earlier was more related to a sharp spike upwards than traveling sideways than a spike. So that's what I'm looking at right now, expecting this to play out at least over these three humps right here. So I'm looking at some sideways movement right now. Not somewhere where I would enter a trade. I would have entered on this right here, but this downward spike started at 2 a.m. and we didn't get a green candle until here at 7 a.m. And yeah, I wasn't up for, well, I was up for the 7 a.m., but I hadn't checked the charts yet. Had other things I had to get into and do today, take care of. That's why I'm a little late starting. So this is what it's looking like right now. I'm also in the process of looking for another indicator to test, although I really do like the Lux Algo Echo. Like it a lot. There's a lot that can be done with it when you combine it with the other indicators. As you can see with this long spike down here, this is where we're trying to go. Even though the prediction is this way, it's obvious that the market wants to go like really steep back down towards the 40K point, I'm perfectly fine with that. Simply because I know that ETF is coming at some point. And like I had said in a previous video, my belief is that the big boys, those in the know, those that have the insider info, will either crash the market before the ETF, or they'll start making what is to them medium to large size buys into the market. Now, when I say what is to them medium to large size, you'll have to look at the different institutions, see what they've done in the past, figure out what is medium to large to them, because to us, it will all look large. It will all be in the millions, in some cases in the hundreds of millions. And that's what you want to look for if you're trying to accumulate a little bit before the ETF strike hits us. That's what I'm doing. Not saying you do the same, you do what you want to do, but me, when I see them accumulate in mass quantities, I'm going to accumulate in the biggest quantities that I can, so I will be prepared for what they are preparing for. So I'm not going to enter a trade on this. I'm going to continue looking for a new indicator. That was the other thing that I noticed. When looking for these indicators, I'm noticing that everybody that is testing them is doing them in like a back test mode. They're not testing forward. They're not like demo trading in a forward motion. They're doing a back test. So they always know that what they're showing you is going to come out a win. This is why you very rarely or never see a losing trade from those videos. They weren't designed to show you the losing side of a trade. This is why I do all mine in real time, moving forward in a demo account. So I'm not risking any of my own money to show you an indicator, but I will show you as best I can the abilities of that indicator. And as far as the Lux Algo goes, not bad. I mean, 6 trades, 2 losses, 4 wins. Still not a bad ratio, one that I would still accept. And like I said in the previous videos, I would only follow this indicator for like very few movements on it. I won't accept this as being true. I'll accept up to here. This movement right here, from here to here, yes, I'll accept that. So right now, that would be a bullish movement, which, sure, why not? I have nothing to say that it's going to be bearish. Let's look at the histogram one more time. It is still bearish, but it's a bullish bearish because it's pink, and we're just waiting for the next candle to turn green. So I've gone over my time. I see it is now 12:10. So that's a little bit long for me. Time for me to get off of here and do other things that I need to do today. As always, you guys have a blessed day and peace.